Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be flipping a 2011 Honda Accord.
Here it is. So this beauty right here is gonna make me $2,000. All right, so as you guys can see, the wheel is finally fixed. All right, so I know this is the beginning of the video. Let me show you how I got it and repaired it.
All right, so this whole process was pretty risky. He pulled in face first in the beginning, and I told him, hey, we can't do that because we can't drop off the car literally in the beginning of this entrance because the axles don't work. All right, that means the front wheels won't even turn. So I did tell him, let's reverse this car all the way back here. The car almost flipped over, all right? So you guys can see here, the next clip, just give it a few seconds. Boom! It literally almost fell off the ramps, all right? So I was scared. I told him, stop. And I just got an idea. I was like, just pull it off the ramps. I don't know. I was so scared at first. You know, I was like, damn, oil pan is getting messed up. I don't know. And everything turned out fine, all right? So as you can see, that grease, that's the actual grease, all right? So I did pay the guy $500. He ordered all the parts, and that also includes labor, all right? My original plan was to do it myself, but I can't because I live in the uphill. That's literally it.
And if it were to rear-wheel drive, I would have taken a chance and delivered it here and get it dragged up the hill and that way, or maybe even an all-wheel drive. So that's literally all I did, you know. It was done in one day. He ordered all the parts, arrived the next morning, and boom, done, all right? Nice and clean, 105K miles. Hopefully, I can squeeze out a little bit more than $2,000 because I did post it for $7,500. And if I sell it for $6,300, I make $2,000, all right? So guys, do the math. If I sell it for 65, if I sell it for 68, if I sell it for 7, or if I even sell it for 6, all right? So I think if I sell it for 6, I'll make 18. And if I sell it for 63, I make 2. And you guys get the point, all right?
Leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, hit the bell, do everything to show some love. Hit the share button, show all your friends how to car flip. This is literally a whole guidebook on how to do it, all right? It's literally that simple. I use Copart. I get them all delivered at my home, but not with this one. I had it planned out to, you know, I had a whole game plan of where I needed this car to be delivered so I can execute properly, all right? Anyways, let me go ahead and just, you know, post it up. All the pictures are on the screen. I see you guys once the car is sold, all right? Let's go. Thank God this car has sold for $6,500 within 1 week and a half, all right? So I made a total profit of $2,200. I could have made more if I had a towed over here, but I live in the uphill, so I couldn't get it in the driveway to get it worked on because the axles were broken, so the wheels won't move, all right? So I had no other choice to tow it directly to my mechanic, and I did have to pay his prices on parts and as well as labor. So I possibly could have made way over $2,200, all right? Because I was planning to use like pull apart parts for the suspension and do it all myself, all right? But that wasn't the case. But I'm super happy with the results because it sold quick and I made a good profit with the car, all right? So this month is going to be a crazy announcement, all right? So this is the ending of March, and next month, April, is going to be a bunch of videos are going to come out, all right? A bunch of new videos, a brand new series for this YouTube channel because I'm excited to announce I'm going to be going full-time with car flipping, all right? So that's the announcement. Next video is going to be a banger. It's going to show you almost how to do it and how to like basically car flip, all right? Because I know all these videos I've been posting, it's not very specific, but it's basically how you do it, all right? But please leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, hit the bell, do everything to show some love, guys. I see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe. You don't want to miss it, all right? And peace.